Hey everybody, patent eligibility. Welcome to the patent eligibility page. This is where you're going to get clarity on whether your invention is even in the right category. Can you get a patent for something like this? Hi everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And this is a fairly technical, geeky patent type question about eligibility requirements, but it's vital that you understand what is and what is not eligible. The U.S. Supreme Court is going to be taking up some more cases, we hope, in the next year or two to give more clarity around what abstract ideas are, human activity, especially in the AI age. But most importantly, it has always been clear that natural phenomena, laws of nature, things that exist in the natural world are not patentable. So if you've come up with an equation, right, you've solved a really big vital physics equation or chemical abundant natural phenomena, purely DNA, it is not going to be patent eligible. But if you've modified it, if there's been some human input, some tweaking, some modifying, some improvement, some extra something to analyze it, to manipulate and make that even better, now that is likely eligible. Okay? That's a really high level way to look at it. Now, please look below. There's a really nice article that we wrote originally back in 2019. We've updated it here for 2026 and beyond for determining whether your invention is eligible. The PTAB and the Patent Trial and Appeal Board, they've been going back and forth since 2014 in the landmark decision, Alice v. CLS Bank, about whether abstract ideas, typically those computer or software-based inventions, are no longer eligible. And it's not true. So many methods and processes have been held up as eligible and enforceable and helped a lot of computer companies in the past 10 to 15 years. That said, it should be worth a note to take an extra look if what you're coming up with is a software invention or one that's related to a computer implemented invention, to make sure it's not going to run afoul of merely being human activity, merely being algorithmic or equation based. It's got to do something technical. It has to be a real functional use for your product or technology. So get hold of us today, book a free discovery call if you have any questions about your invention related to eligibility after reading this article. I'm JD Houvener, wishing you a great day out there. Go big, go bold.